Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just filmed a video for Tuesday. It will be going up. So just wasn't a lot going on. So I didn't earlier. Well, today in the morning, I told my brother to take the phone so he could record where they went. They went to get some Christmas gift from the army. So I will show you guys that. Tomorrow we're gonna be baking something for Christmas, and my mom gonna make the tamales. So I will show you guys that. Tomorrow gonna be a lot things happening, getting ready for Christmas. We're gonna be spending it at my house. So yeah. So here what happened today in the morning.
1865 by Christian evangelists William and Catherine. The idea was simple. Share the gospel of Jesus Christ by feeding the hungry, housing the homeless, and freeing people from addiction. 150 years later, the Booth's mission has spread across the planet. Today, the Salvation Army operates in more than 120 countries. And in the United States alone, the Salvation Army serves about
So that was where they went to get the Christmas gift. He forgot he took the phone, so he didn't record a lot. I will vlog tomorrow for you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We just got here to the store. We're looking for some stuff. We're trying to find some pajamas for tomorrow. Everybody gonna wear PJ. This is like a warehouse type of thing.
Oh, it's from Bright. Remember that one show with Will Smith and the monster thing?
Oh yeah.
It's the elf. Look at. And look at there's Will Smith. That's the monster. It's her. That's one of that elf.
Yeah.
So get that one. Sounds cool.
Yeah. So we just got the pajama. We're gonna be wearing this type. And I already got like other stuff.
Come with me. And then it's one more. This one's cool though. Let's be mermaids. That one, and then treat yourself. Wanderlust, namas, coffee, and just tacos.
I just got home and this the stuff I got. I got the charger, cause I need one. And then I got the little light stand. It says treat yourself. And then I have the thing for you to put your phone and you can watch. I got another thing. I got this. So right now we're about to wrap all the presents.
All these presents are here. All these are.
So I will show you guys when we're done wrapping them. See you in a bit. So guys, we just finished wrapping. I did these two and look at my brother wrap.
It was difficult. Calm down, guys. It was kind of difficult.
So you guys have to wait for tomorrow. So you guys can see what I got them.
Saca todo.
My hands are washed. Ew, there's one with the fella. Why did I put it on the table?